How deep does this light go? Does it represent infinity? How can we explain this in words? This is just unreal. This is what galaxies and black holes are made of. And each second is a millisecond behind the next. Maybe this explains time-space. This is just unreal. This can't be explained. In my terms, is this light we see the infinite light? What is this? This is just unreal. This is what acid trips are. This is beyond realistic. This is just unreal. Holy shit. Deep in the background is this infinite light. It's almost as if it spirals into a galaxy. Does this represent the nature of life itself?